I personally have been with the company for just under a year, and I'm very proud to be part of such an exceptional organisation. My name is Malcolm Condon, and I'm the People Partner here at PP Control and Automation. HR does touch upon every aspect of the employee experience, from the initial recruitment, their selection, the learning and development, how we recognise the great work that people do, and how we ensure that everyone's treated fairly and encouraged to be the best that they can be. We've got a very strong values-based culture, and we look for people that will share our passion and embrace our values. But what do we value? Our people are passionate about what they do. We seek to wow our customers, encourage each other to look out for opportunities to learn and drive change within the business. And we do all of this in the spirit of humility. Our values are here, and they're the first thing that you see as you come through reception into our building. And really what they're about fostering a great working environment in which everyone has a voice and can freely express themselves. I absolutely love working here, and I truly believe this is a great place to work.